Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve the problem of UPSC 2016 10 mark question from topic short distance between two lines. Here in the given question, find the shortest distance between the lines x minus 1 by 2 is equal to y minus 2 by 4 is equal to z minus 3 and y minus mx is equal to z is equal to 0 and for what value of m will the two line intersects. Let's solve the problem. Given lines are x minus 1 by 2 is equal to y minus 2 by 4 is equal to z minus 3 by 1. Let this is line 1 and line 2 is given by y minus mx is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0. From here, that is y is equal to mx and y by m is equal to x by 1 from here, and so the lines becomes x by 1 is equal to y by m is equal to z by 0. This is line 2. We have to draw the figure first, that is this is line 1 and this is line 2 and this is AB and this is CD. This is perpendicular from both the sides and the point of AB is 1 comma 2 comma 3 and point of B is given by 0 comma 0 comma 0. From here we have to find the shortest distance. Shortest distance is the projection of AB on which CD is perpendicular to both the lines. We have to find the n vector to cross multiply, that is n vector is equal to I j k. We have to find cross product. This is L1 M1 N1 and this is L2 M2 N2. On comparing with the given lines with the formula, that is x minus x1 upon L1 and x minus x2 upon L2 and y minus y1 upon m1 and z minus z1 upon n1, and line 2 is comparing with same, that is x minus x2 upon L2 and y minus y2 upon m2 and z minus z2 upon n2. On comparing the above lines from here, that is the value putting here, that is I, j and k. That is L1 is, from comparing, L1 is 2, M1 is 4 and N1 is 1, that is 2 4 1, and line on comparing line 2, that is 1 m and 0. On solving, that is I cap into 0 minus m minus of j is equal to 0 minus 1 and plus of k bracket 2m minus 4. We have to find n vector, taking projection of n vector, that is n cap. This is n vector upon mod of n vector, that is we have to find n vector is minus I 0 minus m minus of j 0 minus 1 and plus of k, that is 2m minus 4, and taking mod in the root, that is from here, that is minus m is m square plus, that is minus 1 is 1 square minus minus plus, that is 1 square 1, and from here, that is 2m minus 4 का square. On proceeding, that is minus of mi plus j and plus k 2m minus 4. On solving the root, this is n cap projection, m square plus 1 on opening 2m minus 4 का whole square, that is 4m square plus 16 and minus of 16m 2ab, that is 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. We have to take the projection, that is x1 and x2 on comparing, that is on lines, that is minus from line 1, that is x1 is 1 and x2 is 2, x1, that is y1, sorry, y1 is 2 and z1 is 3, and from line 2, that is line 2 is x by 1 and y by m is equal to z by 0. The value of x1 is 0, x1 y1 z1, x2, sorry, x2 is 0 and y2 is also 0 and z2 is also 0. So we have to take the projection, that is minus of m x2 minus x1, yeah, x1 minus x2 का whole square, that is 1 minus 0 का square plus j, j is 1, so y1 minus y2, that is 2 minus 0 का square plus k, that is 2m minus 4 into z1 minus z2, that is 3 minus 0 का square upon, that is under root of m square plus 4m square, that is 5m square and 5m square minus of 16m and plus 17. On solving, this is shortest distance. On solving, that is 1 ka square is 1, that is minus of m and plus 2 ka square, that is 4, and from here that is 3 ka square is 9 2s are 18m minus of 36 upon under root 5m square minus 16m plus 17. On solving further, that is minus of m plus 18m, that is 17m, and minus of 32, some mistake is happened, it is minus of m, 1 minus 0, 2 minus 0 is 4, and from here 3 minus 0, that is 9. So this square is not. That is minus of m and plus of 2 and plus of 6m and minus of 12 that is 5m minus 10 upon under root 5m square minus 16m plus 70. This is the shortest distance between the two lines, and from further asked in the question, for what value of m will be the two line intersect. If the two line will be intersect, then the shortest distance becomes 0. So further we have to proceed. Shortest distance equal to 0, that is 5m minus 10 under root 5m square minus 16m plus 17 is equal to 0. So that is on multiplying cross, that is 0. That is 5m minus 10 is equal to 0. So 5m is equal to 10 and m is equal to 2. 5 to the 10. The value of m is equal to 2, then two lines will be intersect. This is the required solution of the given problem. Thank you, class.